Guys, we are coming very close to the end of our set here today in Smithfield. We're going to be leaving off here very, very shortly here, but I think on the screen behind us there's a link and the name of the band and the link for a single we brought out here for the Irish Homeless Street League, which are on their way to the World Cup, the Homeless World Cup there in Glasgow this month. I think it's July actually, next month there. So if you have your phones around that there, check out the link there. All proceeds go to the charity, 100% of the proceeds go to the charity. So take a snap of the screen around that, maybe you can do it later on. But the single is called Je suis Irlandaise. So we're supporting the boys over in France, and we're also supporting the boys here who are heading over to Glasgow for the Irish Street League's Homeless World Cup. So if you have a chance there, check out the old song there. It's on YouTube there as well, but you can download it on Google Play, you can download it on iTunes as well there. And if you're watching on the Periscope there all over the world there, check out that there, Nafina on iTunes, Google Play, and on YouTube there as well. You can check us out at Nafina Music on Twitter and Nafina on Facebook. So we're going to leave you off with the actual song, the song that you can download, the song you can check out there. All proceeds go to the Irish Street Leagues. This one's called Je suis Irlandaise. That was my accent, is that okay? Thanks very much, guys. We're a band called Nafina. Check out Je suis Irlandaise, the single on iTunes and Google Play. All proceeds go to the Irish Homeless Street Leagues.